Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. So I'm still working on my house, trying to get everything down. I'm making actually quite a bit of progress. And so I just put my family pictures here. I had shown you that. My tree is still up and it's gonna stay up until after New Year's because it is just nothing but glass ornaments. It is going to take me a couple days just to wrap those all up and put away. My goodness. So, but this room is coming together nicely. And yeah, I'm just putting a few things out. I don't know that it's really going to stay like that. This I showed you. This is just my very simple New Year's Eve table. No plates, no silverware, just simple. And these are some things that I recently found. I'll probably do a haul in the next couple of days anyways. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'm pleased with my progress. It's taken me such a long time. And so here I told you that I made this little vignette here. I switched it up a little bit. I don't know, it probably looks busy, but kind of wanted to mimic the picture, and I think I accomplished that pretty well. So I don't know if it'll stay, we'll see. So out here in this room, I've been working all day, and not too much Christmas left out here. My Christmas tree, like I say, I'll keep that up until after New Year's. And this one also, same thing, full of ornaments, but mostly plastic, and it shouldn't take me too long to take it down. And if you remember up here, it was just full of Christmas. I've taken all that down. My coffee table's just a very simple look, little galvanized metal. And then up here, I took all my Christmas down. Just have a couple wreaths up there and some candles. I am just wanting to lighten and brighten everything in the house right now. I don't want all the color right now. It's bugging me. Do you guys feel like that after Christmas? So over here, this was all Christmas. That's my son's modeling center. It always stays by the kitchen table. But here, I had all the Christmas up here. I just put my Ray Dunn back up because it's nice and bright and white, and I just thought I'd put that up for a while. We'll see if it stays. And then on my kitchen table, I just put a rooster. This used to be a rooster that was colored. It had reds and blues on it, but it didn't look nice. It was old. And I just whitewashed it, and then I just, rubbed some of it off. You can see where a little bit of the red's on there. So I put my rooster there in a little tray and a couple white candles. These are bins that I have filled up. They're ready to go back out into storage. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with what I've done so far. I still have a lot to do. I really do. This, I don't know if it'll stay. I just put a little white table cover there, a couple little pictures, but it all looks bright and making me feel good not seeing all the colors of Christmas right now. So anyways, I'll talk to y'all soon. I'll keep you informed. Okay, bye for now. Love you guys. Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. It's about 6:30 in the morning. And I have been up all night fighting it, so I decided just get up early and do something. So what I'm gonna do is I have this burlap and I have this red and black buffalo check. Now I've cut out a paper heart, and I'm going to cut out these hearts, and I'm going to put them on these squares that I'm making out of the burlap. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make, what do they call it? A banner. And I'm not sure if I'm going to like it, but it's something to do, so I'm going to give it a try. So I'll show you how it looks. So basically, these are what the squares are going to look like. And I didn't tell you, but this is an old pillow cover that I'm no longer using. And I've had the this stuff, I can't think, forever and ever and ever. So I might as well use it, the burlap, I should say. So I'm going to try to get as much as I can. Maybe about 8 of them would be nice to make a really long strand. That way I can maybe hang across my entertainment center. And I'm doing this for Valentine's Day. You can probably figure that one out. But that's what I'm going to try to do. So we'll see what it comes out looking like. So, sorry the TV's on, but I wanted to show you I ended up with 6 of these. And so I'm just going to press them. And then I'm just going to glue the hearts right onto the burlap. And then I'm going to put twine across all of it and put it together. And it should probably, I'm going to guess, be about, maybe about 6 of them, probably about 6 inches apart. So I'm going to guess it's going to be about, I don't know, 4 or 5 feet, which will be perfect. So let me get these together and I'll show you the final results. So I'm getting ready to hot glue these down, and I put a piece of foil down because I know the glue's going to go right through the burlap, and I don't have any wax paper, so that'll have to work. So let me get these glued on. Okay, so what I've done is I've got all my hearts. I just hot glued them down on my burlap, and I'm taking Mod Podge, and I'm just taking my brush. There's Mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
She's on her second cup of coffee. And then I'm just dabbing it, because I know it'll dry clear, along the edges so it doesn't fray. And then when I get that done, I'm going to take the twine and I'm just going to put it along the back. I'll hot glue that on. So I think that's going to be really cute for Valentine's Day. I don't have that many decorations for Valentine's Day, so I'm going to make my own. So this is step 1 of my Valentine's decorations. Okay, so I have all the Mod Podge painted on the ends. I got 3 of them that are pretty dry. And once they're dry, I'm going to hot glue some twine across it to make my little garland, banner, whatever it's called. Okay, so just gonna let it dry. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I took my twine, I made a little knot at the end, and I'm just putting the twine, gluing it right on the back. So I've got 3 of them together now, and what I'm doing is I'm taking this piece of paper and I cut it so I can measure between each one to make sure it's the same distance apart. So 3 on, 3 to go. And I think it's coming out really cute, so I'll show you when it's done. Okay, everyone, so I got it done, and I think it came out super, super cute. So I'll hang this up on Valentine's Day. I'm not going to leave it up yet. But isn't that cute? I love it. And this virtually cost me absolutely nothing to make because I had all the materials. So I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you. And to all of our old subscribers, thank you again and again and again for always supporting us. So I'll see y'all soon. Love you guys.